Market focus. The US dollar remains under the pressure of the result of the US Federal Reserve meeting, which disappointed the market due to low expectations for inflation and a very low-key tone. Stock exchanges in the Asia-Pacific region are trading below zero due to the weakness of the American and weak data on industrial production in China. The Australian dollar appreciably strengthened at the beginning of the day due to the growth of employment in Australia and the general weakness of the US currency, but the repair Australian dollar-US dollar remains limited by weak data on China. Oil slightly strengthened earlier in the day based on correction after yesterday's decline, which is caused by the growth of negative sentiments about oil. The main events of the day. At 2 p.m., publication of the results of the Bank of England meeting. At 2:45 p.m., the results of the ECB meeting. At 3:30 p.m., a press conference of the ECB. At 3:30 p.m., a news block on the US and Canada, in particular the basic index of retail sales in the US, the number of initial applications for unemployment benefits in the US, and the index of prices of new housing in Canada. At 4:45 p.m., data on the US, in particular the index of business activity in the manufacturing sector of the US. At 5 p.m., announcement of the volume of inventories in the US. At 7:25 p.m., a speech of the head of the Bank of Canada, Palos. Overview of the major pairs. Euro-US dollar. Sale entries started from 1.1840, 1.1860. Buy entry is started from 1.1800, 1.1780. British pound US dollar. Sale entry is started from 1.3450, 1.3470. Buy entry is started from 1.3400, 1.3370. US dollar Swiss franc. Sale entry is started from 0.9860, 0.9880. Buy entry is started from 0.9830, 0.9800. US dollar Japanese yen. Sale entry is started from 112.90, 113.30. Buy entry is started from 112.40, 112.00. Gold US dollar. Sale entry is started from 1260.00, 1262.00. Buy entry is started from 1252.00, 1248.00. Brent oil. Sale entry is started from 63.50, 64.30. Buy entry is started from 62.00, 61.50.